Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company hotelplanner.com. They're looking for a remote hotel reservationist. It pays up to $107,058 a year. Hotelplanner.com, the leader in online hotel sales and reservations with 17 years in business, is adding quality people to book hotel rooms via phone for our clients while working from the comfort and safety of your home. In this position, you will take inbound calls helping clients to book lodging at a hotel or a vacation rental type property. You will assist the caller to find the best hotel for their stay and assist them to complete the reservation. Hotel Planner will provide initial and ongoing training and support to make you successful. Hotel Planner will deliver client calls through Hotel Planner's hotel reservation system for you to book the reservation. There is no outbound cold calls or sales scouting required. Inbound sales calls only. Qualifications: agents must have a great attitude, ability to connect with clients on the phone, complete the training course to navigate the site, plus have a personal drive to book business and deliver professional service. It is strongly recommended to have sales, hotel, and/or call center experience. You must be detailed oriented, plus make sure client gets the information they need on every reservation. Hotel Planner requires a background check that will be paid for by hotelplanner.com. Working weekends and evenings are recommended. Our best performing hotel planners can earn up to $20 to $30 per hour. Requirements: desktop or laptop, Chrome browser, noise cancelling headset, high-speed internet preferably with an Ethernet connection. Compensation: Hotel Planner provides 15% revenue of our share on earnings per booking. Payments are sent weekly on Tuesdays. There are no application or training costs to you. If you are interested, please complete the form below to begin the inquiry process. https://www.hotelplanner.com/BECOMEAPLANNER or email your resume to the contact provided. Work location: fully remote. Job types: full-time, part-time. Pay $38,798 to $107,058 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, referral program, schedule, day shift, evening shift, night shift, weekend availability, supplemental pay types, commission pay, experience, sales, 1 year preferred, call center, 1 year preferred, license, certification, driver's license required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.